But I wasn't close to dying.
I'm gonna start another private group.
So then maybe... I wonder if ball brat charmander. We can totally do this.
Oh yeah, we got this.
I just hope that wasn't one where it was lucky that things were working out.
Next one,
Right.
what happens?
We just missed it.
We just missed it. We were 5 seconds away.
Damn, that was awesome, guys.
Oh man.
We're gonna give it another run. Here, Kareen, if you want to use this one.
What? I'm in now, so let's see if I'm going to finish it up. If I can't, it is what it is. I'm in right now, so kind of like I'm in right now. That's why I stood out here so I could be by your hotspot. I went back to the car and it was giving me grief, so.
Yeah, if you need it, you can
Right.
use this the blue account.
Then I'm going to switch over to the other one for Alex because he won't be able to do it right today. Yeah.
Yeah, the Extreme or whatever it is, Memorial.
And that's how you go.
Yeah, I still gotta get raids on for the blue one here. I'm at 3. I want to hopefully get all 10 today. And then I gotta go catch a few fish.
I see you guys at the park.
Okay.
I'm going to go get my limo and be ready.
Oh, shit. Why?
And you lost 4 seconds at the beginning because you were in the 293.
Yeah.
Come on.
97 this time.
That's good. That's what I got.
Yeah, I think my connection was just slow for a couple of seconds. We should be better
Because
this
the
time.
hotspot, maybe?
No, I was running the hotspot off the tablet. I won't do that. I don't like running the hotspot off the phone. It doesn't work as well.
Perfect. I got that in right before the solar beam.
I probably should have chopped this into 2 videos. And still recording the one. This is going to be a friggin' monster to make people watch.
Oh, can you trim it down?
Probably. I'll have to do that. I've lobbed parts off before. I just don't. I don't have a computer. I just use these 2. Video editing from the phone is a little slow.
Right. Perfect. Solar beam right before I was done. I didn't even look to see when we were in the yellow last time.
I don't remember. That's gonna stay. Get one more outreach. Fuck. That one was not lucky. I might be on the bad side of time right now. Oh, maybe I'm getting lucky. But yeah, we're on the lucky side this time for sure. It took him a long time to do that solar beam.
That was good. I got it. Okay, I'm on my 6th guy. Where are you on?
This is number 6.
How much health?
None.
Okay.
I'll quit. I'll get
He's
a tie
hanging
there
on.
anyway.
He's barely hanging on. Don't do a solar. Don't do a solar. Oh, shit. I think we're going to get screwed by the help bug.
I think we just got away with that. We're in a better spot than last time. Oh, that's lucky. It's right on time.
Maybe.
I think we're ahead of where we were last time.
I see that on your solar view with like no health. That's good because I was very quasi.
We got him.
Come on.
10 seconds. Oh, that's so sick. Wow, I'm surprised.
I saw, so there was a video last night someone posted with 13 left. And we did, mine was 11 on the kill. Holy shit!
We're almost there. That's cool. Alright. I got you this time.
Yeah, you should, because you got the raise. You got more raise. Oh, that's fucking awesome. I don't even care what this is.
52. Nah.
I'm just glad I don't have to use that. Because I could have powered. I had 2 more moves to help out. I could have got the sail amounts up to 39.5. That would have shaved a little time off.
Okay.
But I would have used like almost all my bag on candy. And it's only 14, 15, 15.
Oh, I gotcha.
And then, like, if that wouldn't have worked, I could have used the stash of rare candy to boost another ramp, which I'm going to do eventually, but I just, like I said, I like to have a little stash. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I should have taken a screenshot when there was no time left. Or when there was 11 seconds.
We've got the video.
Nice. I bet you, yeah, Phoenix can do it, but I'm sure that we beat him to it.
Maybe.
Because he didn't say anything. Yeah, well, I'm on the Bible Discord, so who knows, maybe post something
I don't know where he posted it.
What's funny is Civil was like, let's 3-man this. They just rubbed him out.
Right. Oh, come on. Really, dude? I kind of want to.
Name that guy. I saved the Charizard redo.
I think I did too.
Rename it.
Oh, that was a terrible throw. He gone.